Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm walking you through how to replace both the grease filter and the charcoal filter on a Whirlpool over-the-range microwave, just like the one I've got right here in my kitchen. Now, these filters are important. The grease filter underneath catches all that oil and residue that floats up when you're cooking on the stove. Over time, it gets really dirty and can start affecting how your microwave vents. To replace it, I just reached underneath, slid it out, no tools needed, and popped in a brand new one. Took me maybe 30 seconds tops. Now let's move to the top. This is where the air gets blown back into your kitchen after it's filtered. There's a charcoal filter tucked behind the upper vent panel that helps trap odors and smoke. On my model, I didn't even need a screwdriver. The top vent cover just popped right off with a little pressure. No screws involved. Once it was off, I slid out the old charcoal filter and replaced it with a fresh one, then snapped the panel right back on. If your Whirlpool microwave looks similar to mine, these steps should work exactly the same. It's an easy maintenance task that a lot of people skip, but it makes a big difference in keeping your kitchen air cleaner and your microwave running efficiently. If this was helpful, do me a favor. Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more quick how-to guides just like this.